Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel is Mobile. So today's video is very important if you are planning to purchase any used iPhone. So in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can check the real battery health of your iPhone. Now firstly you have to tap on the settings. Now you have to scroll down. Here will come the option of battery. You have to tap on that option of battery. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. Now in the option of battery, you have to tap on the option of battery and health and charging. If you want to check that which app is taking how much of your battery, then you can scroll down to check that also. Now I'm tapping on battery health and charging. Now this is the maximum capacity of your battery of your iPhone. So this is the battery health of your iPhone. So you have to must check this before purchasing any used iPhone. If you like this video, then give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.